Hey guys, so some people have asked if the mounting brackets are the same. Okay, so as you can tell, bottom bracket is right here. And then the top bracket's completely different. I mean, I realize that this is the angled bracket, but even here you can see using the regular non-angled bracket that's from the wired Nest doorbell 2nd gen, and then comparing it to the angled bracket because I don't have the regular wall bracket apparently. But comparing it to the battery-powered 2nd gen Nest doorbell, it does look like it's two different mounting areas. I hope that answers some people's questions.